Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp message for new Graphy enrollment. So I am an owner of a business and I sell online educational courses with the help of Graphy. So here my objective is that as soon as a new enrollment is going to be done by any of my learners in my Graphy account, automatically a WhatsApp message should be forwarded to all of my learners. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Graphy and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. As with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I've created a message template. If you want, you can create a message template with the help of Vati or Interact. So if you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages for new Graphy enrollment. So I am an owner of a business and I sell educational courses with the help of Graphy. So my objective is that as soon as any of my new learners are going to purchase a course with the help of Graphy, automatically to them on their WhatsApp, a message should be forwarded of the course that they have enrolled in. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. On the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we're going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A new dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Send WhatsApp Message for New Graphy Enrollment. Okay, and for next, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down and these are the folders from which I'm going to select Graphy Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, we're going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send WhatsApp Messages for New Graphy Enrollment, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because the process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, click on this arrow right over here, and for the trigger application over here, we are going to select it as Graphy. So for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as Graphy. After that, for the trigger event over here, we're going to select it as new enrollment. Okay, because as our objective is that whenever a new enrollment is going to be done by any of my learners with the help of Graphy, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Now we're going to connect Graphy with Pabbly Connect with the help of the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. So I'm going to copy this unique webhook URL from here. As soon as you're going to do that, to follow the steps given here below in the help desk in order to connect Graphy to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, you have to open your Graphy account. As you can see, this is my Graphy account right over here. And now to connect this account with Pabbly Connect, what we have to do is on the left side of the screen over here, it says Integrations. We're going to click on it, and then it's over here, it says Webhooks. We're going to click on Webhooks right over here. As soon as you're going to do that, over here the webhook page is going to appear, on which you have to click on new webhook right over here. A new dialog box is going to appear, on which it is firstly asking for the webhook URL. For the URL over here, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and I'm going to remove this HTTPS right from here. So this is the webhook URL. It is asking for the description. If you want, you can add a description according to your requirement. I'm going to skip the part. Okay. Next over here, it is asking for us to choose the event. For the event over here, we're going to select it as new enrollment because we want that Graphy should send the new enrollment data to this webhook right over here. Okay. Then we're going to click on save right over here. As you can see over here, it says webhook successfully added. The webhook is added for the event as new enrollment. This is the webhook URL and the status is active. Okay, so this means that we successfully connected Graphy to Pabbly Connect. Okay, as over here in the workflow, you can see over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a dummy enrollment in our Graphy account by any of our learners account, and we're to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that learner's enrollment or not. For that, I'm going to open my learners user. As you can see, this is my learners user page, and now what we are going to do is we are going to purchase a new course with the help of Graphy. So these are the courses in my Graphy account right over here. Okay, now we're going to purchase a course with the help of Graphy, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that new enrollment of the new user or not. For that, I'm going to first purchase a dummy course. So this is the course right over here. Okay, I'm going to purchase this course from here. Proceed to payment. I'm going to do a payment with the help of card. So I'm going to fill in the card details. These are the dummy details right over here. As on the top over here it says test mode. We're going to do a test payment. Okay, I'm going to click on pay now. It is asking for the OTP. I'm going to click on submit. You can see over here it says the payment is successful. That means we have successfully enrolled to the course. We have successfully purchased the course. That means now we have successfully enrolled to the course in our Graphy account. Okay, so now I'm going to open my workflow that I've created in my Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the new enrollment that we have done right now or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pabbly account. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see over here a new response is captured in this workflow right over here. It has the details of the learner and the course that we have purchased. For the learner name as Smart User 234, this is the name of the learner that I've purchased the new course of. Mobile or dummy mobile number for the email as Smart User 234 right over here. For the name of the course name is Core PHP Programming. This is what we have purchased right over here. The course link is right over here. You can see this is the course link right over here with all the other details. So this means that we successfully connected Graphy to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. As our objective is that whenever a new enrollment is going to be done by any of our learners, automatically what should happen is towards the learner a WhatsApp message should be forwarded of the enrollment that they have done. So what we are going to do is we're going to set up our action step by clicking on this arrow right over here, and for the action application over here we are going to take it as WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API, and for the action event as send template message. We are selecting our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API and the action event as send template message, because with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API I've created a template message as you can see right over here, and with the help of this template I want to send messages to all of my new enrolled learners. Okay, this is the template that I've created right over here with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, and I will be sending messages with the help of this template. That's why our action application is WhatsApp Cloud API and action event as send template message. Then we're going to click on connect. In order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, a new window is going to appear on which click on add new connection. Okay, after clicking on add new connection, it is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. With the help of these details, we're going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Okay, but how are we going to have the access of these details? For that, click on this learn more hyperlink right over here. As soon as you're going to do that, you will be landed to this page right over here. If you're going to scroll down over here, it says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So this video right over here, if you're going to watch this tutorial, you're going to learn how to set up step by step the complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup with Pabbly Connect, and when you're going to do the complete setup, you're going to get all the information that Pabbly Connect is asking for. And as I've already done the setup, I'm going to open my API setup right over here. You can, so this is the API setup that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, as Pabbly Connect is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. In the setup, you can see the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID is provided. So firstly, I'm going to copy this token from here and I'm going to paste the token right over here. Next, it is asking for the phone number ID. This is the phone number ID. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it right over here. For the WhatsApp business account ID, copy the ID from here, paste it right over here, and then click on save right over here. As you can see that we fully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, over here it is asking for the template name. So I've created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API in the name of Graphy Automations. So for the template over here, I'm going to select it as Graphy Automations. Okay. As soon as you're going to select the template name, the language code and the selected template ID is going to be automatically selected. So you do not need to do anything with these steps. Over here, next it is asking for the recipient mobile number. For the recipient mobile number, what we are going to do right over here is we're going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from previous step. And how are we going to do that? As soon as you're going to click on this field right over here, you can see over it says Graphy new enrollment. So this was the previous step of this automation process, as you can see right over here. Okay, if you're going to click on this arrow right over here, this was the response that was captured in our previous step. Over here it is asking for the recipient mobile number, on which mobile number do we want to send a message with the help of this template right over here. So for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to map the data of my learner's mobile number as I want to send the message to my learner on their WhatsApp. Okay, so I map the data right over here. As I map the data, what happens is the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in a previous step, automatically the data right over in place of this map data is going to be updated. Okay. Next over here it is asking for the body field 1, body field 2, body field 3, that is name and course link. So I'm going to take you back to the template that I've created. You can see in this template I've added 3 variables. This is variable 1 right over here, variable 2 right over here, and variable 3 right over here. So what are these? These are variables. That means I want to enter the value of my learners in place of this variable right over here, and that is why I've created these 3 variables right over here. So in my Pabbly Connect, these are the 3 variables that I've created, that is body field 1, body field 2, and body field 3, and I want to enter the values that this variable is asking for. Firstly, it is asking for the name, so I'm going to map the data of the name of my learner right over here. Next, it is asking for the course name, so we're going to map the data of the course name right over here, and lastly it is asking for the course link, so we're going to map the data of the course link right over here. As I map the data right over here, what happens is the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in a previous step, automatically the data right over here is going to be updated. So after filling all the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. But before that, over here in the recipient mobile number, you can see this is the dummy mobile number right over here for the learner's mobile number. So WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded to a dummy mobile number. So what I'm going to do is, in place of this dummy mobile number, I'm going to replace my mobile number so a WhatsApp message can be forwarded on my number. Okay. So in place of the recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my mobile number. So as I've added my mobile number, after that I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you're going to do that, a response is going to be received, and for the message status over here it says accepted. That means a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new message is forwarded on my number with the details of my learner and the course of my learner or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. As you can see right over here, new message is forwarded on my WhatsApp number. It says exciting news, hello test user 234. We have revamped your enrollment process for Pabbly Connect for the course Core PHP Programming to make it even easier for you to start your learning journey. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore and expand your knowledge with Pabbly Connect. Course link, the link right over here. I'm going to open this link. So this is the link of the course right over here. If I'm going to click on start right over here, the course is going to start. Okay. Then it says if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Happy learning. So as you can see that a WhatsApp message is forwarded to the new enrollment. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another enrollment with the help of Graphy. I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number for the new learner and the course of the learner or not. For that, I'm going to open another user with the help of Graphy. So this is another user right over here, and with the help of this user, we're going to be purchasing another course with the help of Graphy, and we're going to check whether a WhatsApp message for the enrollment of the course for the learner is forwarded on the WhatsApp on my WhatsApp account or not. For that, I'm going to purchase another course. So this is the course, this is the free course right over. I'm going to select this course right over here. I'm going to click on free right over here. So as you can see that I have successfully enrolled for the course name Complete Python Bootcamp for 0 to Hero in Python. So this is the course that I've enrolled for right now. So after enrolling, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. As you can see that a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number which says exciting news for TestSmart123. So this was the new user right over here, that is TestSmart123, for the course name as Complete Python Bootcamp from 0 to Hero in Python. So this is the course that we have enrolled in. Okay, and this is the course link. I'm going to open this course link. So this is the course that is Complete Python Bootcamp from 0 to Hero in Python. So this means that it's fully created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I sell educational courses with the help of Graphy. So my objective is that whenever a new enrollment is going to be done with the help of Graphy, automatically towards a learner who have done the enrollment, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded of their enrollment in the course. For that, what we have done is we have simply created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create an automation between these two applications. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.